So we face a lot of grand challenges on this society which are linked to plants. We have food security, we have resource use efficiency, we have climate change. All of them require that we adapt plants to these new conditions and these new efforts. And in order to do this, we need to accelerate breeding. And the important steps in there are that we have to have new genes in there, new genomics and new genotyping, which have been the focus in the last 10 years. Today we are facing the situation that we have to learn more about the phenotype, the so-called phenotype, which is the implementation of the plant from the genotype with the environment to the structure and function which we see from plants. Phenotyping itself is the opportunity to quantify plant structure and function in a certain environmental condition and to learn more about the function of the plant, to learn more about the genetics and the basic of the plants which are leading to these phenotypes and the interaction with the environment. We use novel technologies there to measure quantitatively and qualitatively the development of plants over time and space. And this gives us the opportunity to accelerate breeding and to accelerate also the plant management. Emphasis is the initiative to form a pan-European infrastructure for plant phenotyping. Infrastructures are very important for phenotyping because we are developing novel technologies, we are disseminating novel technologies, we are employing novel technologies, and we need to provide access to these novel technologies to many different people in the whole community. And therefore we want to establish this new initiative and this new project, which gives us the opportunity to provide access to these new infrastructures from other people. This involves the development of infrastructure and new technologies. This involves that people are exchanging technologies and that they are using technologies from other countries. We want to use this develop as a European infrastructure because we have a lot of advantages in there. We can share infrastructure which is very expensive, which also requires a lot of expertise with other people within the scientific community. And we also give the opportunity to develop novel technologies from technology providers into the plant phenotyping community. The advantage of emphasis which we will be providing to the stakeholders will be that that we are generating synergies between different countries so that we can share infrastructures, that we can have a wider range of infrastructures, that we also have infrastructures in different climate zones, for example, which give us the opportunity to test genotypes in various climates of Europe. It will specifically give the advantage to users that they have access to state-of-the-art infrastructures which are leading globally, where they have special experts also handling them. It's also the opportunity to get into a diversity of technologies which they previously didn't have at their hand. And it will also give us the opportunity to develop novel experiments in themselves because we have the availability of technologies across different climate zones.